I am Abhishek Bhatt, motivational speaker, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about how to make balance between personal and professional life. We all knew that life is moving very fast, and being a human individual, we have responsibilities to grow with time, like to earn, to maintain social relations in good or bad events, occasions, along with upbringing children and take care of elders or grandfather or mother. These all things we need to do along with our professional life, like with job, business, etc. Sometimes I feel, and you might be too, that we are so much hyper conscious about our professional life or career to reach up to certain level goal, and we are knowingly or unknowingly being a man, forgetting and avoiding the part of love, affection, intensity, care, heartfelt closeness, feeling of family members that includes your parents, wife, children, friends. Sometimes, we become very selfish. We just focusing on our need, wishes, and desires. Although our family members are fulfilled that, though we become selfish, accepting all the negative aspect, they are always helping whenever we being a man are stressed or in trouble or have problems. Always they are supporting. Rather, they are our most support system. Either we believe or not. Are they not human? Don't they have feelings, wishes, desires? Don't they do job or household work? Having this baggage of burden, they are fulfilling our needs. Is there any barrier that can stop us to give some space time for our family members? What I mean to say that when our boss or superior shouted and scolding on job, either we like to do that work or not, we are doing and we have, then they are your own family members, own wife, your own parents. Why you are bothered or shy to say I love you, give a hug personally or publicly? Why you are shy to communicate or go on date or coffee shop? That makes difference and unbalance in life. See, being a woman, they never say. Being a parents, they never say anything to us, but they can feel to being alone or loneliness, that we have to find space and time for them as they are not demanding frequently. We need to understand it. So remember one thing, that your performance on job or outside society is purely depend upon your family environment, family support and blessing. Same like dedication towards your profession wherever or whichever place you are. Because at last, no one with you except your family, which include your parents, wife and friends. So as early as possible to awake and understand this fact and make balancing life, then you feel and enjoy the life. I am not criticizing men. This video is specifically meant for whom? Those who are closely associated with me, to whom I know and they known to me, accepting me as I am. Thank you.